Sasa wachana, I will as Mutheu. No, I'm just saying, as a citizen of this country, I was unarmed, I was alone there, I didn't have any weapons. I can't run on that side of, what do you call it, tear gas, because I've had surgery recently. So I was sitting there because I could not run towards the what? The tear gas. And then they find me there, they start beating me up. For no reason, and I was not even upstairs.
And you are rightfully there.
Exactly,
Yes,
it's my workplace.
Yeah.
Why did you beat me for place yangu? My name is Patricia Mutheu, member of County Assembly, Mlango Kubwa ward. Today I woke up to come to my work of my place of work, and when I reached there was a bit of commotion, and police actually gained entry. And I was seated, as I was seated in our lounge, our Nairobi County Assembly lounge, there was some tear gas, and people came running towards my side. And since I couldn't run because I'm unwell, I just decided to sit. So immediately, police approached, carrying rungus, and they were telling us to get out. And since I was there seated alone, I thought I wouldn't run against tear gas because I have problem with my sinuses. But to my shock, one police, namely Mwaneki, took a rungu, hit me here. I have some marks. He hit my hand, and he couldn't stop. There were 4 of them. And despite me lying down, they didn't stop. They continued beating me. I was unarmed in my place of work. I don't know the reason why they were beating me up.
On a plenary day?
On a plenary day. It was my right to be there because that is my place of work. So basically, as a Kenyan citizen, I demand justice. I didn't resist any arrest. I don't know, honestly, why I was beaten. I was all alone in plenary. I don't see why 4 men will even attack me, led by, one of their seniors. So I'm actually confused. As a woman, I feel violated. And I don't think it's right. How am I supposed to represent my people? If where I'm supposed to exercise my duties, I'm thrown out using tear gas and rungus. And they even threatened to, kunitia pingu. Now, I mean, it's painful. It's sad reality. And I don't think it's just for any woman to go through that. Yeah? Yeah, I have serious marks. Don't know if, I think I've shown ones are.
Look at this.
Yeah.
This is an honorable member.
Yes.
Look at this.
And,
elected the people of Mlango Kubwa. Just all over the body.
I don't
give you more time.
I don't think it's right to exert. And look at me, I think too tiny. It would have been easy to whisk me out, not to hit me with rungu. So it's either, or even get female police to arrest me. So honestly, I'm so confused, and actually I'm seeking for justice, and yeah, I'm gonna follow the law and make sure justice is served.